foods, clothes, and to teach them to teach them assignments.
Okay. Do you have experience in taking care of baby? How do you take care of baby?
Yes, changing diaper, changing clothes, prepare vitamins and foods.
Okay. Do you have experience in taking care of elderly or bedridden?
No, but I will.
You're willing to learn.
Yes, I will willing to learn.
Okay. How about in doing housework?
No,
How about housework? Do you know do you know the housework like washing clothes?
yes,
Do you know how to cook?
yes. I know how to cook Filipino food like adobo, sinigang, tinola.
Okay. Are you willing to work with no off day for 2 years?
No,
Okay. Are you willing to work with no off day for 1 year?
no,
How about 6 months?
yes.
Okay. How many day off you want in a month?
Maybe twice a month.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
Hi sir, ma'am. Please hire me. I will do my best. I'm hardworking and loyal. Thank you.